It's a picture of him.
You didn't press the record button.
Guys, it's a picture of him.
We're having a nerdy gangbang.
Guys, it's a picture of him.
Let's video him.
You look really weird.
Let's say hi, Louis Day, by the way.
Yeah.
Say hi, Louis.
Fuck off.
David. He's swearing. I'm showing your mama. Hi, pupils with video.
You're filming me again. Punch you in the face. Stop ruining people. Yeah, still got it. What you're doing.
I think he's got mental problems.
You know, if you take a picture of a random person on the street, it could actually be illegal. So fuck off.
Woo, people.
Right, okay,
When you're skiing, you sit on it like that and you go.
Yeah.
Guys, I want to see this film afterwards.
Tend to be constipated. In it.
Now, let's see the film.
No, I'm still videoing. We've got like 1 hour and 13
I have friends, you know.
Hi! Nice to see you again!
Raw beef.
Do you have any phrases about what we're doing today? Any of you? We just wanted to ask you, now you're on our show, would you like a chicken sandwich? Would you?
We were asking everyone.
Oh my god, please, we just need the chicken sandwich. Do you need a chicken sandwich? Hello, now you're on our show, would you like a chicken sandwich?
Girls.
Would you like a chicken sandwich now you're on our show?
Like a chicken sandwich.
Chicken sandwich? Quick, no? Hello, now you're on our show, would you like a chicken sandwich? Now you're on our show, would you like a chicken Hello, you're on our show, would you like a chicken sandwich? Yeah, chicken sandwich. Chicken sandwich.
Now the world is safe. People are actually asking for chicken sandwich.
Would you like a chicken sandwich? Hello, now you're on our show, would you know? Chicken sandwich? Hey, Dakota!
Look. Keep it facing Dakota.
It zoomed right in. Your face was massive.
La 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 la.
La 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 la. Would anyone like a chicken sandwich?
We filmed everyone on our last.
Whee! Chicken sandwich, anyone?
What? I'm not talking to you anyway.
Oh shit. It's raining.
Chill.
Oh shit face.
Sandwich. He gave you a warning.
Oh, there.